Hello, good day everyone. You're welcome back to another interesting maths question. From here, we are to calculate the length of the right line, that is this line CP. And from what we have here, this angle has a size x and there is 2x. That is, this is twice the size of this angle. This angle, this and this angle here are right angles. We have the length of this side PQ to be 16 meters, while here, this line AP, this line AR and this line BR are equal in length. Let's assume their length to be A each. So how can we solve it? Well, we start from this triangle PQR. Because of this right angle, it is a right angle triangle. So if you use a SOHCAHTOA on it, taking this as theta, there is opposite and there is a hypotenuse. Theta is x, opposite is a plus a, which is 2a, and hypotenuse is 16 meters. From here, SOH means sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. If you substitute these values here now, sine x equal to 2a over 16 meters. We multiply both sides by 16 meters. Here 16 meters cancels 16 meters. And here sine x times 16 meters is 16 meters sine x. So 16 meters sine x equal to 2a. We divide both sides by 2. Here 2 cancels 2. And here 16 meters sine x over 2 is 8 meters sine x. So 8 meters sine x equal to a. But what is x? We don't know. Though if we come here, we can see that this quadrilateral is a rectangle. The angles of a rectangle are right angles. So this and this are right angles. The same goes for this rectangle. This angle here is a right angle. Now from this triangle, since the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, and we have this to be 90 degrees, this x and this 2x, we sum of the angles and equate to 180 degrees. So x plus 2x plus 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. X plus 2x is 3x. If we subtract 90 degrees from both sides, here 90 minus 90 is 0, and here 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees. So 3x equal to 90 degrees. Dividing both sides by 3, here 3 cancels 3, and here 90 degrees divided by 3 is 30 degrees. So x equal to 30 degrees. We substitute here and here now. 2 times 30 degrees is 60 degrees. We also substitute here. Therefore, 8 meters sine 30 degrees equal to a. 8 meters times sine 30 degrees is 4 meters. So a equal to 4 meters. That is the length of this side, this and this side is 4 meters each. Now from this rectangle, we know the length of opposite sides are equal. That is, this side and this side are equal in length. Let's say b. If we come here, this angle, this 90 degrees and this are aligned on the same straight line. The angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So since this is 60 degrees and this 90 degrees, this must be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 30 degrees. Now from this triangle, we can use a SOHCAHTOA to relate this side and this side. Taking this angle as theta, this is opposite and this is adjacent. From here, tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. Theta is 30 degrees, opposite is 4 meters, and adjacent is b. So tan 30 degrees equal to 4 meters over b. We multiply both sides by b. Here b cancels b, and here tan 30 degrees times b is b tan 30 degrees. We then divide both sides by tan 30 degrees. Here tan 30 degrees cancels tan 30 degrees, and here 4 meters divided by tan 30 degrees is 6.93 meters. So b equal to 6.93 meters. That is, the length of this side is 6.93 meters. Now from this triangle BCP, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of this side. The Pythagoras theorem stated that the square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the two other sides. If we use the Pythagoras theorem on this triangle, line CP squared equal to line BP squared plus line BC squared. Line BP is 4 meters plus 4 meters plus 4 meters, which is 12 meters. And line BC is 6.93 meters. 12 meters all squared is 144 meters squared. 6.93 meters all squared is 48.0249 meters squared. And 144 meters squared plus 48.0249 meters squared is 192.0249 meters squared. So line CP squared equal to 192.0249 meters squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square root cancels square, and here square root of 192.0249 meters squared is 13.86 meters. So line CP, which is the red line we are asked to calculate, is 13.86 meters in length. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on notifications. Thank you.